Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this Forester. It's a 2017, it's pre-owned, pretty nice and clean coach actually. Short to 22, 23 maybe feet. The Ford right there, of course, it gives you this nice, the color is nice, it doesn't look like every other color, you know. E450 Super Duty, really nice engine right there. Nice big awning with speakers, and look at the LED lights through that. Look at that nice Forest River by Forest River, I guess. Forester by Forest River. Sorry. Come on in. This floor plan is pretty cool. I mean, they did a lot with the space they got for a short, you know, class C. Nice bed back there. Look at that. Nice colors. The wood, some people don't like, you know, dark stuff. This is light wood. Pretty cool. This is your control panel, folks, with your gen. You can start it from here. Nice. I like this dinette. It's pretty cool. It's close to the driver, close to the, you know, passenger also. Come on in here. It's a walk around bed, so this one got a slide. This is the bed slide. That's the why these are separate, kind of. So look at that. That's a slide. Window. Good stuff. The sink is outside. Look at that. And there is your the tub and a bathroom. They did a great job actually to utilize every inch in this coach. As we come through here we go. Look at that 3-burner, pretty cool. Open right here, oven, and of course let's not forget the fridge. Look at that, you got your freezer, fridge, nice size, pretty cool. I like this flush right here with a microwave. It's not sticking out, it's not in the way. More storage, LED lights throughout, as you can see, and of course your AC. The flooring, look at that, the color is pretty nice. I like the light colors in these. Let's go outside and show you more. It might lack little storage outside, but it does have enough for a small family. As we come through here, we do notice that backup camera, so you can see what's going on behind you. Spare tire is out here, this way you don't have to look for it, and some of them actually don't come with a spare tire. Tow package right there for what have you. Flat towable cars. A ladder right here, you know, can check on top, see what's going on, any debris, any branches. This is the slide we talked about in the bedroom, folks. That's what gives it such a walk around bed and all that good stuff. As we come through here, of course we have the gen, this piping right here. Let's check this out and see what's going on. It's a 4,000, you know, watts, pretty big size for a small coach, and of course it's probably the best right there on it. So made by Cummins. Good stuff. A cargo, of course, mirrors right here, so you can see around. You know, really nice coach. More information available. Please give me a call. 541-515-1237. Thank you.